and then this is the data. And within this data, let's create a few folders. Let's call expense data, and then we'll have this expense data under the parent folder ID. So this is a new method again. This will basically return the object ID, lookup object ID using the name. Yeah. So if I run this now, it will basically return this data folder ID. Yeah. So instead of specifying the code, which you can do like this, but still you can specify in this method as well, which is much more easier to do instead of the code. Okay, so coming down here, drive service, create a subfolder. This is the parent folder ID, and then this is a new folder name that we want to create. Okay. Now we run. So this is a new folder ID, and then if we go here within data, you'll see a subfolder called expense data. And now let's create a folder called documents. It's done, and one more folder called others. Yeah, so all the folders has been created. We'll shortly see a folder here called others. Yeah.